Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is extremely creative, unique, artistic and very easy beginner friendly design ideas of hand embroidery flowers. Yes friends, you can use these very beautiful hand embroidery flowers for making dress designing, for making your beautiful dresses. Like you can make these onto your dresses as motif design ideas, and all over design ideas as designing decent and delicate designs of your baby dresses, baby shirts, baby frocks, baby gowns and many more creativities as per your choices. The scope of these very beautiful, unique and artistic hand embroidery flowers is not only limited to the area, dimension or perspective of dress designing, but you can also make very beautiful cushion covers, pillow covers, table covers. Even you can also design wall art, hoop art, creative gifts of hand art and masterpieces of your creativities. If you are an embroidery beginner, embroidery artist, or you are in search of very beautiful, easy to make hand embroidery patterns, that this video collection is absolutely for you. Go try these patterns and share your experiences with us. Kindly do leave your comments so that we could get ideas, or we could get to know that how do you feel about our content. So let us know, and please do share videos massively with your friends and family so that we could grow up into a large and significant number of YouTube friends and family members, subscribers and friends. So stay blessed and stay tuned. Hope to see you soon back in my channel in my new videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves.